Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie, and this is a box I've been waiting a long time for. They should have done fantastic for a long time ago. But, as usual, they have been left out until now. So, if you're not already a subscriber, please pound that subscribe button down below. Ring a bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and we will get started. Okay, so let's cut the tape. Pop the box open. Let's see, does it say how many pieces? 5 pieces. So we got 2 pops, you think? Either a mystery mini or a keychain. Maybe a t-shirt. I hope we get a t-shirt and some other oddball item. But the big thing would be if we get the 2 pops and a t-shirt. But let's open it up. It's not a very big box, so feels like there is a t-shirt. So we will start with that. It is a t-shirt. All right. This box needs to have t-shirts every time. Okay. So, t-shirt and 2 pops, I'm guessing. Oh, yes. Even though I just got a Human Torch, which I have not showed you yet, I'm still hoping for a Human Torch. It's one of my favorites. And this shirt, check it out. Now that is a nice shirt, right? Okay, this is going into my regular rotation of shirts. Okay, let's feel in here. Okay, we got like a spoiler card. Oh, okay, so a pin, a shirt. I feel 2 pops. I don't feel anything else. Oh, okay, a sticker. Huh. That might go on my back window of my truck, though. I do have another one I gotta remember to take out there. I got this in another box a while back. Why is that not focusing? Or are my eyes just off? Does not look like it's focused. But there you go. Alright, so there is a pin. Oh, Dr. Doom. That's a good choice for the pin. That is a nice looking pin too. Oh. I'm not a pin guy, but that's a good pin. Okay, so we have 2 pops here. So which one can I get out first? Let's see. Is it coming? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Mr. Fantastic. Okay. That's an okay second choice of mine. Oh. Torch. There's something else in here. What is this? Felt like something else in the box. Oh, it's just a flap. Okay. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It is! It's the Human Torch. Now that's a nice looking one. It glows in the dark. Oh, he looks really good. And the box is empty. This is the best box we've gotten in a while. Okay, let's start with Mr. Fantastic. And there's a little gray on the sides. Too bad they didn't have one of the arms a little longer, but I guess they couldn't have got it in the box quite right. They got him stretched out just a little bit. But I wish the arm would have been a little longer somehow. Maybe reaching up so it's stretched out. I did like my Fantastic Four, especially this guy. Oh, look at him. Oh, come on. This one's going to be a hit. The base and him. His hair and hands, that glow. Maybe even the body. Looking at it. I don't know if I can get any glow out of him since he's been in a box all this time. But let's light him up a little and see what we can get. He's not really glowing much. Maybe if I put him in the window for a day, I might be able to get some glow out of him, but he's got a little bit of a glow, you can see. That is pretty cool. This is my favorite pop in a long time. I guess the Thing would have been cool too. The Human Torch and Thing. Let me see the collection here. Oh, Silver Surfer. There's got to be a Silver Surfer exclusive out there somewhere. Doctor Doom, Mole Man, Visigirl. This is a collection I think I want. And I haven't gone for a collection in a long time. But look at all those guys. Alright, let's step aside for a second and let me show you the other Human Torch that I got at Target. So they are very similar, except that this one is just standing there. And this one's got his arms up with flame in his hands, while this one's hands are starting to flame up. The yellow isn't quite as bright. Let me get him out so I can show you. See, the flames aren't quite as bright on him. Kind of translucent. You can see right through. He's not quite as bright as the other one. Still a cool pop. But I do like the Collector Core one better. The glow in the dark. So that is him. Back to the regular video. The truth be told, I haven't had anything that said, ooh, yeah, let's get into the pops again in quite a while. But this set has got me back in the mood. Although, it's at a time when I have the least expenses. My truck just broke down. Radiator went out. That was $500, everything I had. So, shopping for these things is going to be a little hard, but... So you made it this far. Join my Discord. There's a link down in the description. I also have a Patreon. For those of you that are interested, I'll put a link down there for that. I really haven't pushed it, but there is a link down there for Patreon. But do join my Discord. There's no cost involved, and you'll be the first to know when any of my YouTube or Twitch videos go up. What was your favorite? Human Torch or Mr. Fantastic? There we go. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.